In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks in your PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're doing this for a professional pitch, a classroom presentation, or a casual slideshow with friends, hyperlinks can help you create a more interactive experience for your audience. Let's walk through how you can effortlessly insert hyperlinks into your slides, step by step. To start with, open your PowerPoint presentation file. Make sure to have it ready on your computer and navigate to the slide where you want to add your hyperlink. This feature is especially useful when you want to create a seamless way for your audience to browse through your slides. Once you're on the right slide, it's time to select the text that you want to hyperlink. You can simply drag your cursor over the text to highlight it. For instance, if you have an action word like next, this could be an ideal choice for adding a hyperlink, especially when you want to guide your audience to the next part of your presentation. Next, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of your PowerPoint interface and click on the Insert tab. This is where you'll find a wide array of options to enhance your slide. Within this tab, look for the Link button and give it a click. As you do this, a window will pop up offering a variety of linking options to choose from. This is the control center for inserting your hyperlink. Now we're going to focus on the option that says Place in this document. This is an excellent feature that allows you to create internal links within your slideshow. It's particularly useful if you have a large presentation and want to help your audience navigate back and forth between different sections with ease. In this example, we'll be linking our text to the second slide. Once you've made your selection, simply click to execute and your link is now set. And just like that, you're done. Your selected text is now hyperlinked, making it interactive. You can test it out by entering presentation mode and clicking on the hyperlinked text to ensure it directs you to the desired slide. By mastering this simple yet powerful feature, you'll enhance the user experience of your presentations, engage your audience better, and deliver your message more effectively. Remember, hyperlinks aren't restricted to text alone. You can also apply them to images or shapes, allowing for a visually dynamic presentation. Experiment with this technique and you'll find countless ways to enrich your presentation's functionality and accessibility. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.